Problem number 11 starts simply with a demand curve and a total revenue curve. The demand curve should be obvious by now. We've done a number of these already. You want price on the vertical axis, quantity on the horizontal axis, and you're simply going to graph the values provided in the problem. For the total revenue curve, we see on page 443 in your textbook that total revenue equals price times quantity. We've run across this in some other problems. Price times quantity. So for the total revenue curve, you're going to put total revenue on the vertical axis, quantity still on the horizontal, and graph it out. The second part of this question asks for the elasticity at the point where total revenue is maximized. And by the way, total revenue is maximized at one point. It's not a range, it's one point. So look at your graph carefully. At that point, what's the elasticity of demand? We know how to calculate that using the midpoint formula. The third part of this question asks between what prices is demand elastic? This goes back to the fact that in any demand curve, there are parts of the curve where demand is elastic and parts of the curve where it is inelastic. Look at figure 20.4 on page 445. We're being asked to identify the section of this particular curve where price is where demand is elastic.